got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for a collision in the night to really live.
All right, guys, welcome to today's video. This is seconds after I ended yesterday's video because I want to show you guys what I'm seeing right now, which is all of this back here. We're gonna wake up, which is in a few seconds for you guys. We're gonna wake up, but it's gonna be tomorrow for me, and we're gonna get the dogs out and we're gonna take them for a walk down Meyers Beach North one more time. So we'll see you here in a few seconds. So here it is the next morning, and I know I told you guys that I'd be taking you for a walk on the beach here at Meyers Beach North and showing you guys the area again one more time, and I'm going to show you guys the area again one more time here shortly. But we're in the van because what you guys just saw through the windshield is that it's raining. It's been raining. It rained all night from basically the time that I went to bed. High winds, high rain, and it's just now starting to stop. Let's go outside and take a look, but right now you guys can see the dogs. Let me show you the van and the disarray that it's in. So there's Bella. She's chilling on her bed. I have my chair set up because I'm going to do some editing here shortly. I'm going to get my table out. And then there's Barrett. He's chilling on the bed. But this was my view last night. I know you guys can barely see that because the rain is covering the windshield, but let's get out of the van here and show you guys Meyers Beach North. So I'm actually going to walk inside in front of the vans right now to show you the area we parked at and where we're at to give you an idea. Take a look. So that's where we came from right there. There's Maddie Van Halen, there's my van. This is the 101, the 101 North. Back there's California, about half an hour, and that way is Washington, about 5 hours. This is Meyers Beach North, guys. Take a look. We're on a ledge here. Down there's the beach. So we're pretty high up. I would say a good 60 feet off the beach area there. I'm gonna hop back inside the van and get to work. I need to edit the video that you guys are seeing now, or the one before this. Yeah, the one before this. I need to edit that and get it out to you guys and get out of the rain. It's really, let me get back in the van. All right, we're back in the van and out of the rain. People are still pulling up here, even with the weather the way it is right now, to look at the views here, which are just completely amazing. That's why I love Meyers Beach North. But I'm gonna get to work. Time to set up my office area and start to edit. So we're gonna check back in with you guys later on, which will just be a couple seconds for you guys. But this is van life. One of the great things about van life that I love so much is that when the weather is inclement outside, inclement weather, I love being inside my van, protected from all the elements. It just brings van life to a reality that just inches away from where you're sitting. It's treacherous outside and uncomfortable, but inside the van, it's as comfortable as you make it, which is pretty comfortable for me. All right, guys, we'll check back in with you here in a second. All right, it looks like the rain has stopped for a little bit of time here. So now that I have an open window to show you guys Meyers Beach North, for some of you guys that haven't seen it, I'm gonna take you guys down there and show you. But if you wanna see it in other videos, just go back and look. Matt's gonna keep an eye on my van. I'm not sure if you could see him, but he's in there somewhere. So let's go take a walk down Meyers Beach, and then I may go throw the drone up and get some drone footage because there's hardly any wind. So let's take a walk. All right, we are down here on Meyers Beach North. Enjoy the music that's coming to follow in this van life travel moment. And there's a waterfall right behind me. Let's look at that first. Then we're gonna go show you guys a little bit of Meyers Beach North down here on the camera. Then we're gonna get back up into the van, get the drone in the sky, and see what we can find on a drone. Take a look at this waterfall.